Hi, I'm Nate from Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians, and today I'm going to show you how to do a maintenance flush to your water heater. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to shut the gas control valve off to the unit. Now, every water heater is different. What we're working with here is a power vent water heater. This has a little switch here, an on and off switch. We're going to flip that switch to off. Once you do that, you're going to go over to this shutoff valve. You may have copper, you may have PEX, or you may have CPVC, which is what we're looking at now. You're going to want to turn off the water supply to the water heater. And how you do that is you'll turn this valve right here clockwise, and that will shut the water off to the unit. If you do feel any sort of resistance on the CPVC waterline shutoff valve, go ahead and stop, call a professional to avoid any sort of damage to the piping or the valve itself. After that, what you're going to want to do is hook up a hose down here to the boiler drain. Some boiler drains, you can just turn it counterclockwise and open it. This one, you will need a flathead screwdriver, and it is a quarter turn counterclockwise to open up this boiler drain. Make sure the hose is firmly into a floor drain or a sump pump so that you don't make a mess everywhere in the home, and then just let it drain all the way. You should be good. Again, this is a power vent water heater, so if you do have a standard gas water heater, you will need to relight the pilot. If that's the case, there will be a list of instructions at the front of the water heater to indicate exactly what you need to do to relight that.